Hi guys, welcome to C++ project. So this is a log file parser project. So basically we have certain logs. So it goes like you have certain log entries, and then you have certain options like search logs, find specific log, filter it by following keyword, etc, etc. So we'll be working on all of that. So this is the first part. So in this, basically we'll be building the overall framework, that is just generate log. So this is a particular function. We'll be working on this one. So after this we have four functions: view logs, filter logs by levels, search logs, and then log statistics, followed by the if and if else if ladder. So for user to enter the options. So let's see the code. So first here we have the file name where all the log is written, that is logs.txt. Now after that we have three log levels in this: info, warning, and error. So these are the three log levels that has been entered in the form of vector. Now then we have log messages. So what is this log messages? Application started, low memory, warning. So these are the error messages, or what certain important messages that you display when there is a in the log. So this is the vector for messages. Now how to generate log? First we have to take the current timestamp. So we need the timestamp at what particular time this what log come, what happened. So we need the timestamp. So we have 20 characters for the timestamp. So then we take the current timestamp and convert that into proper format. That is hour, month, and second, year, month and date, hour, minute, and second. My bad, not hour, month, hour, minute, and second. After that, we store the time stamp in that buffer. Now we take the string called levels. So in this we randomly choose one level from out of that all the levels. So this is the log level. So we take one random out of these three. Similarly, we take one random from the messages as well. So from all these options we take one randomly. And then how do we store it in the log entry is basically timestamp followed by the level and undercode. So these are the levels. One of these three levels would be displayed, followed by whatever the message. For example, currently the time is 9:05. Info, low memory, warning. So these are this is an example for a log. After that we open the log file, write the log entry into that, and then we close the log file saying, then we print the output saying new log entry added. Now after that we'll see all these functions in the upcoming videos. I'll just explain what the user choice function is. Now if the user choice is 1, then we have the option called generate log, then view log. Similarly we have 5 different options for 5 different choices. Then we have the main function where we srand equal to time. So random equal to time, basically srand time 0. This is basically to get different outputs in different time. Like in each time we have to get different output. So here we have the log file parser option, followed by all the options whatever we can do, then one exit option. So we prompt the user to choose an option and take whatever the input he gives, and then we exercise this particular option from that function. We call this function. If it is 6, that is exit, then we break the program. Let me run the program now. Yeah, so you can see the option here. I'll enter option 1, new log entry added. So they're not allowing us to add entry because we don't have any function in here as such. So we'll just enter 1. So new log entry added. The reason because we are not entering is it randomly takes everything. At the current time it takes, followed by one of the random levels, one of the random message it already takes. 24/7 I will be waiting. Believe. So let me submit the program. Yeah, so the test cases have passed, and I'll continue the next video. Thank you.